In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or enable recurring bill in Zoho Books. This is really useful if you have regular, repeated expenses like monthly subscriptions, rent, or utilities, and you want Zoho Books to handle them automatically instead of entering the same bill over and over again. We'll walk through where to find the setting and how to turn it on so you can start using recurring bills right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon, which represents settings. It's usually near your profile or organization name. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is where Zoho keeps all the configuration options that control how your account behaves. Once the settings page opens, you'll see several sections and options. What you're looking for is the General section. This is where most of the core preferences for your organization are stored, including things like formats, modules, and key features. Click on General to move into those basic settings. Inside General, you'll see different categories, often listed in a side menu. One of these will be Preferences, which allows you to customize how different modules work in Zoho Books. Within Preferences, look for the option labeled Recurring Bill. This is the specific area that controls whether the recurring bill feature is visible and available in your account. Click on Recurring Bill. Here, you should see the settings related to enabling or showing recurring bills. Depending on your current configuration, you might see a toggle or checkbox that turns this feature on. Make sure this option is enabled so the recurring bill module becomes available in your Zoho Books interface. After enabling it, remember to save your changes, usually by clicking a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Once saved, you'll be able to go back to your main menu and find the recurring bill option under your purchases or bill section, ready for you to start creating automatic repeating expenses. That's all you need to do to show or enable recurring bill